This one is a croquette or mussel.
Yes.
It's a little bit spicy, but it's really yummy.
It's yummy, yummy. And we have also a mini burger,
All for free.
all for free.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hello and welcome to yet another vlog of Fahoodyadventures. And today or tonight, we're gonna explore tapas, so how to order tapas in Spain. And Thomas is the expert man here, so he's gonna give us some tips.
Exactly. I think tapas is a word that is very well known for everyone, but you need to know that tapas are usually a free food that you get when you order a drink in a bar. So sometimes you go and order tapas and you have to pay for that. That happens sometimes and in some regions of Spain.
So what is the meaning of tapas, Thomas?
So meaning of tapas is like something that you put in a piece of bread and you can eat it.
Like
It's easy.
something on top.
Yeah.
No, another thing that I want to mention here is like a lot of places they call themselves tapas. That's a track. Some of them they charge for tapas, so just be careful. The trick is first, look at Google reviews. What the Google reviews say. They'll probably tell you either in Spanish that you can translate into English that they're not for free. Another thing is always to watch out for people who are having just the drinks and they have something with them. So that's a really
Exactly.
good way of looking up.
So there is something that is real in some regions of Spain. It's typically that you have to pay for the tapa, like for example in Barcelona, for example in Seville. But most of the places you don't need to pay. So you go to a bar, order the drink, and you get the free tapa. So it's very good advice to check the bar first. If people, when they are like having some drinks, if they have a small plate with food.
What I've also noticed in Spain is, yes, there are a lot of places they have like they regionalized with tapas, but also they've standardized. So even though in some places you have to pay for tapas, you're bound to find a place in Spain where they serve you tapas. Now another thing is tapas can be different, or the interpretation of tapas can be different for each individual. It could just be like we go to a place where they just give you free peanuts, for example.
Exactly.
Another place they give you a free big meal, and we'll put a video up above to show you what that is. And another kind of tapas that you can find in different bars is when you just order a drink, but they have like something just by the bar in a big tray, and you just collect yourself one tapas. So that's another way. So not necessarily they'll put it on your table, but you can actually just grab it from the bar, or we'll show you some examples.
Yeah, one of the things that I love the most when you order tapas is that you can eat a lot of different kind of foods.
One time you can be given like fries, another time you would be given like chicken, another time you could be given chorizos.
Yeah.
Or chorizo con pan, see?
Yeah, and even in some bars they have their specialty. So
Yeah.
they have a kind of tapa that they only do in that bar. So it's so nice also. So now we're going to a place that you can get tapas, and it's very crowded. So normally places that you have free tapas are very crowded because people go. So it's a very good tip to see if there is a lot of people in the bar. Probably you're going to find free tapas. So
Yeah, and it's a mission to get it. So let's see if we can get it.
let's go.
It looks nice. You want one?
So as you see, you get free tapas here, and they look very yummy.
Yeah, and it's all like with 2 Coca-Colas.
Exactly, only 2 Coca-Colas.
But you can grab all as you want. You don't have to be like, you're not limited to whatever they put on the table.
Exactly.
So I like it.
Yeah, it's very good.
How's the tapas?
It's very good. Pimiento del Padrón.
You look like you're really enjoying. Thomas loves free food, so anything for free he really enjoys.
And I make a disaster.
And look at the crowd here. Now this place is like called Calle de Vino, right? Which is like Wine Street. So now we're at a bar now where the waiter came and asked us. We ordered drinks and then he asked us what we want. Gracias. And then he gave us this. It's so nice and it's all for free.
Exactly, so you only have to pay for the drink.
This one is a croquette or mussel.
Yes.
It's a little bit spicy, but it's really yummy.
It's yummy, yummy. And we have also a mini burger,
All for free.
all for free.
How does a free burger taste like?
Let's see.
Tapas burger.
It's very good, very tasty, and the sauce is amazing. So, at the end are very good quality tapas.
And are
also.
you full? Because we're going one more place after.
At the end, yeah, I'm very full. So, you know, you go to different places, try different things. At the end, you get very, very full. So that is the best thing of having tapas. So that was only like 5 euros.
Yeah, so the first one was around 4 euros.
Yes.
Then again,
6 and now 5.
so it's really cheap.
And now we're going to our favorite place. It's called La Lola.
The final place
Yes. So let's
for
go.
the expedition.
Yes.
Inside or outside? This is our final place. So we already ordered the drinks. So let's see what we have in surprise, because it's a bit of a potluck what you get in terms of tapas. So it's the final countdown. Da-da-da-da.
So here we have the tapa. Yummy. I think it's panini, no?
Yeah, no, it's pizza, no?
Yeah, panini. It's like a pizza but in a baguette.
Yeah.
It's yummy, yummy.
This is our final tapas.
Yes, let's try it.
What do you think?
So here we are with a new friend.
Yes, and he gave us a lot of tips as to where to eat cheap and free tapas with drinks. So thank you, our friend. And if you like us and our friend, make sure to like and subscribe our video, and to watch a lot more new videos on Spain and Spanish tips and lifestyle here, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And if you have any questions, please make sure to comment down below.
Yes, so that is everything. Bye bye.
Bye bye.